The industrial process of silicon carbide is to use high-quality quartz sand and petroleum coke in resistance furnace refining. On the silicon carbide ball pressing machine cleaning, we should be careful real-time clean up the dust of the silicon carbide ball pressing machine. In the disassembly process should be careful dust removal. It is strictly prohibited to invade the mechanical moving parts. Check the wear of the triangle liner plate, bearing, screw, nozzle, and other components inside the fuselage of the silicon carbide ball press, and clean it up. Replace bearing grease. Check silicon carbide ball press bottom. Safety bolt is loose, and tighten it. Open the inspection cover of the accelerator to check the gear fit and wear state. If we find that the oil pressure of the silicon carbide ball cylinder has a large pressure change, the new oil should be injected in real time. If the oil pressure system of the silicon carbide ball press is found to be leaking oil, it should be stopped immediately and restarted after repairing the oil leak.